Chase. Chase from Paw Patrol. There we go. We love this doggy. What we're gonna do first is we're gonna start with his head. So let's start over here. We gotta give him room for his body. So we're gonna start with his head over on this page, a little bit over here. So let's do a line down there, just like that. And then we're gonna make his nose. There we go. That's his nose. And we're gonna have him come around a little bit like this. There we go, that's nice. Continue his nose here. There we go. And he's got his lip there, that's nice. And 3 freckles for him. Isn't that sweet? Freckles or whiskers, we're not too sure, but he's looking good. And now his chin can come down here like this. There we go. And now what we're gonna do is draw his hat. So his hat is gonna start here. Right about where his chin is over here. And we'll go down around like this. Isn't that nice? And then we can go up a little bit and finish it off like that. There we go. So that'll be the cap for his hat. And then we'll come up like this. Up like that. And then we'll come around a bit like this. There we go. And from here we can do his ears. So his ears are gonna be like this. And like that. All right. And now we can have them come all the way down and join his neck. Just like this. There we go. And now we can make his neck. Very nice. Now let's make his ear here. We'll just fill it in like this, because we'll color that in pink later. That'll be nice. Make a couple lines on his hat. One like that. And then his badge. He's got his badge up here, the paw badge. 1, 2, 3. Just a little bit like that. And the 1, 2, 3. And the paw. Isn't that sweet? All right. Now we can make his eyes, can't we? So his eyes might be a little tricky here. But what we do is this. We'll come around like that. That semicircle like that. And then a little flat on the bottom here. Just like that. And then we can do the same over here for his second eye. A little closer. And his nose will make the bottom part of his eye already. That's good. Now we can make the outside of his face. Comes around like this. We'll give him some cheeks. And it kind of blends into his neck like that. That's looking good. And we can continue it up as if it had gone below his hat cap right here. And we'll bring it all right down like that. And bring this around like that. There we go. Isn't this sweet? Now let's give him some pupils in his eyes. 1, 2. Fill them in. 1 and 2. And if you like, you can give him a highlight just like that. And we can color them in. We'll color these pupils in. Always looking nice when we color them in a bit. There we go. Now let's not forget his eyebrows. Chase has got some eyebrows here. 1 and 2. There we go. Looking good so far. Now what we're gonna do is make Chase's body. So his collar will continue here, just like this. Bring it around a little bit like this. That's nice, and we can join them up there like that. His neck will continue up there. There's another line right there. That's looking good. And then his shield will be here, just like this. That's looking good. And a little star. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, like that. And a circle in the middle. Chase is a little complicated, but if we go slowly, he'll look just fine. Now we gotta do his body. Coming down here. Just like that. That looks good. Now what we're gonna do is his first leg. Right here. 1, 2. And we do his paws. Like this. And like that. And we can join them up right there. That's nice. 1, 2. Little squigglies here. That's where his fur ends and his paw will start. And now we can do the same over here. Another leg here. 1. Bring this one all the way down to here. Not quite as far as this, because this leg is in the background. Bring that across like that. That's nice. And then up like that. Isn't that sweet? And we'll bring his paw down like that. And we don't see the other toes because they're on the other side. There we go. Getting there, everybody. And then we can come across here, and this is where his body gets a little longer, doesn't it? And then make a little bit of a curve there, just like that. And that'll be the end of his jacket there. That's nice. And then what we can do is at the top of this, we'll continue and we'll do his hind legs. So this will come down like that, and we can line them up with this last one over here. But perhaps angle it slightly this way. That's nice. Go like that, up a little bit, and like that. And join them up like that. Give a little bit of line there. That's sweet. And we can make our paws. And then we've got his last hind leg in the background here. So I line down there like that. And this foot will join into here in the background. And almost come in line with his paw here. Just like that. And we'll make another little toe there. That's sweet. And now we can put all the fur ends in. Make some squiggly lines here. And there. And over here. That's looking nice. Now Chase has always got his backpack on, doesn't he? So let's make his backpack, which is gonna be on his back. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna draw a bit of a rectangle here, right like that. Right to the end of his hind there, right where his bum might be. A line coming up like that. And then another line like this, just like that. This is looking good. And we'll join them down like that. Alrighty, and this is gonna be his backpack. So we'll make a little flap coming up here. And a little bit of an angle going in. This is looking nice, isn't it? There we go. We can join the backpack end here, and that will be the top of the backpack that he would be able to open. And there's always some design on the backpack here. Maybe we'll make a little oval here, and maybe a little flap over here, just for fun. That looks nice. If you want to give it some depth, you can draw another line here, and over here. Follow it around like that. That's looking good. And really, all we gotta do now is make some tail for Chase, up like this, and around, and down, just like that. And we can make his fur end a little bit like that there too. Isn't that nice? Now what we gotta do is decorate his body. So we've got maybe another badge over here. Like this. That's looking nice. With some arrows. And maybe a dot. There we go. Maybe a pocket for him here. And if you want to continue some more design, feel free to come around like this. That's looking nice. And then we can maybe do that around his legs too. Just like that. And like that. There we go. Join the vest up like that. Looking nice. And here we go. It's Chase from Paw Squad. Very nice. Let's do the color. Dark brown for his fur and eyes. Blue for his vest, backpack, and hat. Light brown for his skin. Yellow for his badges and hat stripe. Red for the button on his backpack. Pink for the inside of his ear. And black for the collar, badges, and cap peak.